Let's get into this wild rice pilaf recipe. Let's get 2 cups of wild rice into our slow cooker to get started. Next up, we add a carton of chicken stock, that's about 4 cups roughly, and a cup of water. Let's add in a tablespoon of lemon juice and set that aside. I'm mashing up 4 cloves of roasted garlic, but you can just dice up regular garlic if needed. A small onion with a little movie magic, and now let's get this chicken with the same thing. Hocus pocus. Set that aside, and let's get your pan set up on medium-low heat. Get a tablespoon of oil and add your chicken in. We do not want this to fry, so we're going to keep the heat on medium-low. We're going to give it a mix and give it a little shot of SPG. Add those onions and garlic after a few minutes and let that cook through. Once the onions are translucent, let's add 4 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and give that a thorough mix. This is what you're looking for right here. Let's get that all into the slow cooker. Make sure you scrape your pan and get all that flavor. We're gonna add in 1 cup of diced baby carrots and a can of peaches and creamed corn. Set this up for 8 hours on medium. It only took me about 4 though. Serve a little soy sauce and enjoy. Bye.